eating one boiled egg a day. So I was really excited to talk about this one because I think it brings an important point to the fact that there is always somebody out there trying to create absolutely crazy claims about dieting, crazy claims about weight loss, and basically saying like, if you just eat this one thing, fat will melt off your body, or if you just do this one exercise, fat will melt off your body. And this is along those same lines. So eating one boiled egg a day. So here's the deal. If you eat only one boiled egg a day, that is like 80 calories. You will legitimately starve to death at some point, assuming you don't have a large amount of extra body weight and fat on your body. If you're at a reasonable weight already, eating one boiled egg a day is going to basically kill you, okay? Eating one boiled egg on top of your normal stuff, again, isn't really going to do anything magical, assuming the rest of your diet is fine. If you're getting enough protein, if you're getting enough fat, if you're getting enough carbs, if you're in a calorie controlled budget that is suiting for your fitness goals, the one boiled egg a day isn't going to do anything particularly good. Boiled eggs have about 7 grams of protein, about 7 grams of fat. Again, they're about 80 calories, so it's not really providing anything magical. It is a decent source of protein, but it also does have a large amount of fat too. So you have to decide if that's something that you want to consume. But if anyone ever comes up to you and says, I saw this article that said I can eat X and it will allows me to lose X amount of weight, or I can drink this and it will allow me to lose belly fat or whatever extremely quickly, just listen to them and realize that they are not as knowledgeable on this as you are. And you can even ask them where they got the source from, and likely it was probably from a Facebook feed that their grandmother shared, because that's what they like to look at. So that's something to take in consideration. Go ahead and drop a like if that gave you a little bit of insight and just helping to kind of squash some of the misinformation when it comes to dieting.